Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to sell on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. To sell on Shopify, first of all you have to create your Shopify store, and after creating your Shopify store, click on products and you need to add your products here. So click on add product and enter your product title. Inside of this description box, here you have to enter a description about your product and select any word. Then you can bold the text, you can italic, you can make underline. Also you can add a link here, so give the link and you can add link title, and also you can change the font color from here. And scroll down, and here you'll find this media option, so you have to add product image. So click on add file and add your product file, and the same way you can add multiple product photo. And now here you have to enter the pricing and compare it. You can give a discount rate here, and you can enable or disable this charge tags on this product option, and cost per item, enter the cost, and customer won't see this option. And you can turn on the inventory. You can enter your SKU code here and the barcode, and scroll down, and if this product is physical, then enable this option. And now enter your product weight and click here and select your country. And after that, if this product has options like size or color, then enable this option. And option name, click here and select option name. I'm going to select in a size, and I'm going to giving the values and add another value. The same way you can add multiple value here, and then click on done. And to add another option, click on add another option, and option name, select here your option, and I'm going to select in color blue and red, and then clicking on done. You can play around with these variants option. And now scroll up, and product status, click here and select active, and select here online store. Product organization, I'm going to selecting here apparel and accessories. And vendor, I'm going to typing here my store name. Collections, click the collection box and select the page where you want to add the product. So I want to add the product to my home page, so I'm going to selecting here home page. And now you have to enter your product tag here, and then click on save. So here you can see I have successfully created my product, and now I'm going to open my web page, and here you can see the product has been successfully added. So this is how we can sell on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.